A man might be able to lift hundreds of pounds, run marathons, and possess a fit, powerful physique. Yet, under a microscope, his reproductive cells could be in a state of severe decline. Bulging muscles on the outside do not guarantee healthy sperm warriors on the inside. Most men assume that fertility is an innate, permanent trait that never fades. However, the biological reality is that a single sperm cell takes exactly 74 days to fully mature. This means the quality of your sperm today is a direct result of what you have eaten and drunk over the past 2.5 months. In today's video, we will explore 5 common everyday foods that are silently undermining male fertility. Pay special attention to the third item, a food that seems healthy but might make you rethink your entire breakfast routine. Consider the modern man's lifestyle, hurriedly downing a large coffee, grabbing a highly processed fast food lunch, and then consuming greasy food or beer after work. We eat for convenience and taste, often forgetting that reproductive cells are among the most fragile and vulnerable cells in the human body. Reproductive health experts worldwide have issued a warning. Global sperm counts have dropped by more than 50% over the past 50 years. This crisis isn't just about genetics or environmental pollution. It starts right on your dinner plate. First, fried foods and trans fats. Crispy chicken, French fries, and battered snacks are highly stimulating to the palate. However, when cooking oil is repeatedly heated to high temperatures, it generates harmful trans fatty acids. Sperm cell membranes are naturally composed of flexible, unsaturated fatty acids that facilitate efficient swimming. Consuming large amounts of trans fats causes them to replace components within these membranes, making the membranes rigid and less flexible. The result? Sperm become sluggish, struggle to move forward, and lose the ability to penetrate and fertilize the egg. Second, sugar and high fructose beverages. Refined sugar is not only detrimental to your waistline, but disastrous for male hormones. Excess sugar leads to severe insulin resistance and the accumulation of visceral fat around the body's organs. Visceral fat acts like a biochemical factory, converting your active testosterone, male hormone, into estrogen, female hormone. Prolonged high blood sugar levels cause male hormone concentrations to drop, stalling the body's sperm-producing factory and impairing its efficiency. Third, excessive consumption of soy and tofu. Soy is often praised as a healthy source of plant-based protein, but context and dosage matter. Soy products contain high levels of isoflavones, compounds that act as phytoestrogens, substances that mimic the effects of the female hormone estrogen in the body. Eating tofu occasionally is perfectly harmless. However, excessive daily consumption of products containing refined soy protein, soy isolates, may send misleading hormonal signals to the body, thereby inhibiting hormones responsible for stimulating sperm production. Fourth, animal organ meats. Although nutritious in some respects, common organ meats such as liver, kidneys, and intestines contain very high levels of cholesterol. Furthermore, they often accumulate heavy metals, particularly cadmium and lead, derived from animal feed. Once inside the human body, heavy metals concentrate in testicular tissue, generating intense oxidative stress that fractures sperm DNA, leading to high rates of morphological defects and immobility. Culprit number 5: alcohol and heavy drinking. Alcohol directly disrupts the hypothalamic pituitary gonadal axis. Heavy drinking halts natural testosterone synthesis and causes the seminiferous tubules to shrink over time. In fact, a single night of binge drinking can trigger a sharp, measurable drop in sperm parameters within 48 hours. The good news is that the male body is remarkably resilient. Because sperm regenerates every 74 days, giving your body the right raw materials now will transform your cellular health in the next cycle. Here are the 4 essential nutrients to add to your diet immediately. Bioavailable zinc, found in oysters, seafood, pastured eggs, and lean beef. Zinc provides the structural integrity for the sperm tail, ensuring straight-line motility. Lycopene, found in cooked tomatoes, watermelon, and pink grapefruit. This potent antioxidant acts as a cellular shield against free radical damage. Vitamin C, E, folate, B9, and B12, abundant in dark leafy greens like spinach, broccoli, kiwi, and raw seeds. These vitamins safeguard DNA integrity inside each sperm head. L-arginine, an amino acid found in walnuts, almonds, and whole grains that enhances blood flow and boosts swimming velocity. Upgrading your habits takes discipline, but the payoff is immense. Starting today, swap deep-fried meals for steamed or roasted options, trade midday pastries for a handful of mixed nuts, and ditch the nightcap for fresh tomato juice or sparkling water. Within 2 to 3 months of consistent nutrition, you will notice a profound difference, not just in your reproductive health markers, but in your daily energy, focus, and physical drive. If you found this breakdown valuable, hit the like button, share this video with someone who needs it, and subscribe for more science-backed health insights. Thank you for watching.